Hi guys, gawin natin yung acting challenge. Kaya mo yan, acting challenge. Start with supportive.
Papa.
Ikaw.
Kaya mo yan.
Ako naman. Kaya mo yan! Disappointed. Disappointed.
It's Blippi. Let's spell it together.
Kaya mo yan.
B-L-I. B-E-I. Blippi. Good job. See you soon.
Kaya mo yan.
Bye.
Parang disappointed. Ano?
Angry,
ano
angry.
yan? Angry.
Kaya mo yan!
Ako naman. Kaya mo yan!
Ano pa? Sad.
Sad.
Kaya mo yan.
Sad. Ang hirap daw na.
I don't want to ruin their floor.
Sad. Sad, happy, sad. Kaya mo yan. Ay! Bakit malita?
Like,
Sige, okay na yun, guys.